Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your SS online class. So let's start our today's class. So today we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 5. So all of you take out your SS book and let's start our chapter. So our chapter name is again the same. Chapter 5. What is the name of chapter? Sharing and caring. So, first of all of you take page number 28 and write the today's date. What is today's date? 5/10/2021. Write all of you 5/10/2021. And then we are going to start our chapter. So on page number 28, all of you see caring and sharing. Family members get together during festivals and parties. So in this, there is family member get together during festival and parties. So in a joint family, when we live in a joint family, we live with our family only, right? So in a joint family, all the family members celebrate the festivals and parties together, right? But in a nuclear family, at that time family members are come together for celebrating the parties and festivals, right? When family lives together, that family is a good family. In the condition when there is a only nuclear family, then we invited our family members on festival and party. On page number 28, there is a picture given there, and in that picture, the color the picture shown below. Are you able to see this picture? This picture, you have to color the picture. That is your homework. Happy birthday, Sheila. Everyone has a role to play in the family. So you have to color this picture. Write the date here 5/10/2021 and write HW. Okay, you have to color this picture and color happy birthday Sheila. But you have to color only with the wax or pencil color. Don't use sketch pens. Okay, otherwise your book will spoil. So don't use sketch pen. Use only wax or pencil color to color this picture. Okay, everyone see properly. You have to color this as your homework. So what is the role of the family member in a family? Everyone has important role in their family. Everyone, whether they are grandparents, they are our uncle, auntie, and they are our parents. But everyone have different roles in the family. So what is the role? Parents earn money for our daily need. Yes. Parents earn money for our daily need, right? Our parents earn money for what? To fulfill our needs, right? When we take the toy from them, they earn for our food, our toys, our clothes, and everything what we want. If we want toy from them, then they gift us toy, right? If we want any books, pencil, bag, anything, dresses, then our parents earn for us and they purchase everything, right? So what is the money for us, right? For our daily needs, like eating food, right? We need food. Where the food come? Our parents buy it, right? Our clothes, who buy our clothes? Our parents buy our clothes. So parents has play important role. Our elder guide others in the family, like when our father wants some suggestion from anyone, then he will take the advice from our grandparents. And if we also want any advice, then our grandparents tell us what to do. So our elder guide us what to do, right? Our parents guide others in the family. So our grandparents have important role. They tell us what to do or what to not do, right? So our grandparents also have important role. Next, children obey their elder and learn from them. Yes, children. This is your role. What is your role in the family? You have to obey your parents. Okay, your parents, your grandparents, you have to obey them and respect them. So what is your role? Our parents' role is to earn money for us. Our grandparents' role is to advise us and guide us, and your role is to obey their advice and respect them. Okay? So everyone have different rules. Now come to page number 29. What should children do? What should you have to do in your house? They should study well. Your duty, your first duty is to study well. What is your duty? Your duty is to study well. So what is you have to do? First, you have to obey your parents. You have to obey your elders and learn from them. Okay. So first is children obey their elders and respect them. Okay. Okay, next point, you have to study well. So they should study well. They should study well. Okay. Next, they can help their parents in everyday work or chores. So, what is the next point? They can help their parents. No need of writing in your notebook. No need of writing this in your notebook. Next, they should take care of their younger brother or sister. They should take care of their last point, they should respect all members in the family. Same, they should have to respect all the family members in the family. No need of writing this in your notebook. I am just explaining it. So what you have to do in your house? Your parents are for you. Your elders give advice and guidance to you. But what you have to do in your house? So what you have to do? First, children obey their elders. You have to obey your elders, whether they are your grandparents or parents or your elder brother or sister. You have to obey their elders and respect them. And you have to respect them. Okay? So obey your elders and respect them. They should study well. You have to study well. Do your proper class work, proper homework and learn it. So what is your duty? You have to study well. How to study well? You have to do your work properly, your homework, class work, and you have to learn it. Okay? Next is they can help their parents in your everyday work. So you can help your mother, your parents by your mother in your kitchen, in the kitchen. If she is asking for giving anything, then you can give to her. Right? Don't make messy room. Okay, so keep your things properly. That is the big help to your mother, to your parents. If you are keeping your own things to the proper place, your shoes on a proper place, your uniform on a proper place, your bag, everything, books, everything at a proper place, that is the big help to your parents. So how can you help your parents? By giving what they are asking or keeping your thing at a proper place. So they can help you can help their parents. So next is they should take care of their younger brother or sister. You can take care of your younger brother or sister. Okay, if your mother is busy in the house, then you should take care of your younger brother or sister. Okay, so these are some points you have to keep in the mind. Next is other people who help us in our day-to-day life. The domestic help who help in keeping the house clean. In some houses there is domestic help. What we call them, auntie or dadi will come and help our mother in cleaning the house, washing the utensils, washing the clothes and other things. What we call is domestic help. So they are also the people who help our day-to-day life. The gardener who take care of plants. In some house there is a big garden and they need gardener for that. The gardener work is to keep the plant, to take care of their plant properly. Okay, so gardener who take care of the plants. Next, the driver who drive the car. In some houses there is a driver who drive the car. Okay, so our parents, means our father or our mother, they hire one person for driving the car, right? What we call that person? Driver. Okay, so the domestic help come our house and cleaning our house, that we call domestic help. The gardener take care of our plants and the driver drive the car. There are also many pupils like our milkman. He comes in our house and gives the milk. Grocer who help us in giving the some things, vegetables, fruits and sell the things, and many more people are there. You have to respect them also, right? If your auntie is coming for cleaning the house, you give respect to her also. Okay, if the gardener come for take care of the plant, give respect to him also. Or driver uncle will come, you have to give the respect to the driver uncle also. So that's all for today. So as I told you that today's work. Thank you.